We are soon going to be experiencing blizzard conditions where we will get about 10 to 12 inches of snow. Strong winds. Winds will probably start around, say, 11 o'clock, around then. As you can see, it's already been starting to snow. And there is a slight breeze right now. We've gotten about a half inch of snow this morning already. And it's more like a powdery snow. It'll be getting much worse around Tuesday. Tuesday is when the big blizzard conditions will start. We will have probably around a foot of snow, and it's getting kind of windy already. Right now I'd say we have overall leftover snow, about 2-3 inches. We will see what happens next.